have to record you doing this. Niggas talking shit?
Yeah, you gotta record it?
Yep.
Alright, yo, it's your boy, bro. You already know.
Come on, stop eating them.
About to do a cinnamon challenge.
You ain't even got no water.
Listen to this challenge.
You ain't got no water, stupid.
I need no water, man. I'm good.
Wait, you not taking it? No more.
I got you. I got you.
Squeeze it.
That's enough?
Let me see. A little bit more. You knocked it all off the spoon. Some more. All right.
Let's get it up, like shit. Alright. About to do the cinnamon challenge. Now.
Put it in your mouth.
Alright.
That's what you get.
Damn. Oh, shit. That shit nasty.
It didn't burn?
Now we gonna do that again.
You ain't even let it go down.
What? You stopped it.
No, I didn't. It's still going. You supposed to put it in the spoon and try to swallow it directly.
Try to swallow it.
You gotta swallow it.
Nigga, it wouldn't go down.
Alright, so try again.
Try again.
But this time when you put it in your mouth, you gotta swallow it. Like, try to make it go directly down your throat.
Oh shit. Oh, that shit burn. That shit burn. Oh, hell no.
You thought you was tough for a minute, huh?
That's stupid. Don't. Oh, shit, you try it.
Hell no, not me.
Yo, hey,